Let us now understand the temperature dependence of resistivity. In case of metal, the temperature increases with the increasing resistance. As the temperature increases, the resistance also increases. So metal has positive temperature coefficient. Now in order to understand why this resistance increases with the increasing temperature, we need to know the mechanism behind the resistance. In the metal, electrons are loosely bound to the atoms. So as the electrons get a little amount of energy, they become free to move. As the electrons leave the atom, positively charged ion cores are left behind. These positively charged ion cores continuously vibrate about their mean positions, and these vibrations are called as lattice vibrations, also called as phonons. The electrons are in a state of random motion inside the metal. When we apply electric field, there is a direction to the flow of electrons, and electrons start moving in the direction opposite to the direction of electric field due to the electric force F acting on them. As these electrons move in the direction opposite to the direction of electric field, they will collide with the vibrating ions. So this collision may change the direction of the electrons. So this is called as electron scattering. And this electron scattering is the main reason behind the resistance, opposition to the flow of current. As more electrons are scattered, less electrons will reach the other end, resulting into more resistance. As we increase the temperature, the amplitude of these lattice vibrations will also increase. And as the amplitude of these lattice vibrations increase, there is a more chance that electron will collide with these vibrating ions and will get scattered. So with increase in temperature, electron scattering is more, and as a result of this, less number of electrons will reach the other end. That means resistance will increase. So in case of metals, with the increase in temperature, resistance increases. And therefore we say metal has got a positive temperature coefficient. As the temperature increases, resistance will also increase. Resistance also increases. So in case of metals, as far as the resistance is concerned, this interaction of the electron with the vibrating ions is very important. So this is called as electron phonon interaction. So this electron phonon interaction is the important reason behind the resistance. More is the electron phonon interaction, more will be the resistance of it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.